In this part of this video, we are going to learn how to make trial balance using SUMIF functions. We learned on the last video the usage of journal entry, and we have learned from the last video the conditional formatting. So before that, I am going to show you the usage of button in this Excel workbook. We have here trial balance. So I am going to add one shape. Go to insert, click on shape, take this shape, draw here, click right button where we can see the properties. I'm just adding one caption here. It's trial balance. Just copy this. It's changing the font as 15. Make it bold. So I'm going to link the other sheet. So I'm using here. Click right button here. Click on link. We can see here, place this document where we can see the other sheet name. Click on, select on there, click on there. See, when we click that button, it will reach to the other sheet. We can add here one more shape here to go to the first sheet, journal entry sheet, where we can do the same thing as we did for the previous sheet. So I'm adding here trial balance, sorry, not trial balance. Here I'm adding journal voucher. It should be journal voucher. Removing this, journal entry. Then click right button, click on link, tick the select sheet name. See how it's work. Now we go through the trial balance where I copied all the GL accounts. This is accounts group and nature of accounts. This one I copied, based on tally. So here I just copied this because I have a little bit knowledge about the accounts. So what I'm going to do, I need the whatever debit we made it in journal entry, that should reflect in this page. So I am using here SUMIF functions. So here we can see the debit column, credit column, everything. So what I'm going to do here, equals SUMIF, open bracket, first one, SUMIF is using, here we can see the range, criteria and sum range. We can get the sum based on condition. So first one, range, based on which range we are going to make the sum, based on GL accounts. So select the GL account, press F4 to fix it, comma, then our criteria. Our criteria is first one, first cell, capital account, that is the first cell, comma, then first one what we are going to do, the sum range. The third argument is sum range. So we are going to make the debit account, first one, right? So drag this. See how it's work. So I am added the sum in the auto sum in the 31st row. We can see here I forgot to enter the credit for this furniture. Furniture should be credited, cash. So furniture should be debited and cash should be credited here. See here how it's work. Total 552, 500, 2000. So same way credit also, sum if first argument range, on what range we are making the sum, that range in the journal entry sheet. Select this part, comma, fix it and comma, then criteria is our first cell, that is capital account. Then what we are going to make the sum, this part, credit amount, close bracket, enter it, drag it. Now we have remaining balance. So balance part we will learn on the next video, okay, where we will use the if and or condition in order to get the balance. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.